Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you with exact tools how to improve your business English without having to book a class with a tutor. By the end of the video you're going to get a clear action plan. Let's go. So you should start by identifying your goal. What is it? Pronunciation, reading, writing, speaking. And if you already know what your goal is, then we're ready to move to the next step. And if, for example, your goal is speaking, then you are the luckiest person on the planet because there are plenty of free tools available online. You can kickstart your speaking journey with AI websites. There are plenty of AI websites and they're all pretty similar. The one that I liked is called Small Talk. All you have to do, you sign up, you identify your goal, you pass the assessment test, and based on this, it gives you a chance to practice your speaking. They're mainly business English topics, which makes it quite suitable for business English learners. Most of my students are concerned that they'll run out of free classes, but don't worry. Under this video, you can find a link to the website, which provides 60 other AI websites where you can practice your English for free. So even if it takes you a year or 2 years to brush up on your English, don't worry, you have plenty of free resources available on the internet. This website is really cool because it will correct your grammar, pronunciation, and you'll have a clear understanding what you have to do next. If you're not into those websites or you don't have access to them, if you are more into apps, then I recommend you start using Pingo Learn. Honestly, that's one of my favorite apps to use when it comes to learning English. It is quite suitable for business English learners and IELTS learners because it offers a diverse range of topics like cooking, business, hobbies, sports, and I bet you'll find something interesting. But not everyone knows what is the right way of using it. So if you want to speak to AI and if you want to practice exactly English, instead of watching videos and practicing exercises, that what you have to do, you have to click on the word that says activities, and then you'll get access to AI chatbot. You can set up the topics you're interested in and you can start practicing. Again, it will correct your pronunciation, grammar, and maybe give you some ideas what exactly you could say in real life. The thing that I love the most is that everything is quite, all role plays are quite close to real life. All right, let's move forward. If you're preparing for the interview, if your goal is to learn how to speak well during the interview, here is the website called Warm Up Interview. It is really cool because it is customized to your goal. For example, if you want to learn how to answer some general questions, here we are. If you want to learn something related exactly to your industry, it also gives you a chance to do that. The thing that I love the most is if you don't have any idea, like, oh, what should I say? How should I answer this question? It also gives you some ideas regarding what kind of vocabulary and sentences you could possibly use. So you can check it out. This tool is for free. The biggest issue that most English learners face is the lack of consistency. Just imagine, like, you have a dream to learn English and then you start learning it every single day. And then after a week, you get tired, your dog got sick, your child is not feeling well, you have to cook dinner, and you're kind of like, okay, I'll do it later. And you start to postpone it. A month later, you return back and you find out that actually English is so difficult because you miss the whole week, the whole month, then you cannot catch up on it. And then you lose motivation, and when we lose motivation, we start procrastinating, and we're like, oh, maybe I can do it later. And this shouldn't be this difficult. With this attitude and with this approach, there is a very low chance that you'll actually succeed. What you have to do is just spend 5 minutes every single day doing some enjoyable practice, and you have all chances to succeed. Right now, you might have a question like, Mary, I really don't have those 5 minutes. When do I find them? Well, I can tell you while you're waiting for your dinner to be cooked, or if your meeting is delayed, or if your client is late, use that time to just do a little bit of practice, and then it will be easier and easier, and you will always practice English. Your main goal is to improve your pronunciation. Here we are. I highly recommend you starting with the app that is called Elsa Speak. So when you download the app, you need to find the assessment. When you finish the assessment, it will give you a clear breakdown of sounds that you are saying really well because you'll get a higher score, and the sounds that you are not saying well. And this is where I suggest to start your practice. You start practicing those sounds that you are not pronouncing well. You do this in case you are a beginner, but if you have already got a high score there, you can move on to the pro level, which is doing shadowing. I recommend you to do shadowing with the app that is called Accent Training. And this is a pretty cool app. Again, if you want to master American pronunciation, you just have to read and repeat after the person. If you have some available time, you can record audio and compare how different their pronunciation is to your pronunciation. If you start incorporating this 5-minute practice into your daily routine, you'll have no chances to fail and you'll definitely succeed. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to master writing and listening skills. Don't forget to follow to stay up to date. See you later.